good morning. What an amazing, awesome, just incredible day it is today. That is correct. We are doing 100 words, 100 words that every adult should know. They should know it, be able to use it, and be able to, it just come up by like memory, like, hey, I'm thinking about something and I need to use this word. And today's word is cohesion. C-O-H-E-S-I-O-N, C-O-H-E-S-I-O-N, cohesion, coming together, sticking together. Our team has finally got some cohesion that we've been looking for a long time. And so however you're going to use it in your sentences today, in the way that you're thinking about it, knowing that this is the definition, maybe you already know the word, maybe you don't. But if you don't and you're not using it, find a way this week to use it. The cohesiveness would be another a way to say it, but cohesion is the word. And I want you to make sure you use it every single day this week for the entire week and find different, unique ways to use it. That way it comes up, not just in your memory, but in your recall. I think we all remember stuff very well. The problem is we don't know how to recall it when we need it. And part of great communication and being able to communicate with others is being able to recall. And the way that you recall is you learn it, so it's just part of you. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow.